Welcome to Kamin Kanazawa. For easy booking, scan the QR code that appears on screen or find a link in the description below. Kamin Kanazawa is a stunning 4.5-star hotel, beautifully situated in the heart of Kanazawa, Japan. We offer an unparalleled luxury experience for discerning travelers. From the moment you enter our elegant lobby, you'll be captivated by our attention to detail and commitment to providing a memorable stay. Check-in begins at 3 p.m., allowing ample time to settle in and unwind. Our friendly and professional staff will warmly welcome you, offering personalized service throughout your stay. Checkout is until 10 a.m., allowing you to depart at your leisure. Families with children are warmly welcomed. Children between the ages of 0 to 5 stay free of charge. We offer spacious, comfortable rooms, providing a safe and welcoming environment for children. We understand the importance of convenience. We offer a laundry service to keep your clothes fresh. Guests also enjoy free parking. For seamless booking and further information, don't forget to scan the QR code on the screen.